Hello guys and welcome to How To tutorial. So today in this video, I will show you how to download Play Store on your PC. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up your web browser and then go to your search tab and type bluestack.com and enter. Now this is the official website from where you can download your BlueStack. Before you download it, what is BlueStack? So BlueStack is an app player that allows your Windows or Mac to act like an Android and allow your Android application to be played or to be installed on your PC. Now for the download process, click on this download BlueStack button here. Then you can see that we have downloaded a BlueStack file here. Click on it. And after this, click on this update button here and your downloading will be started. So the downloading process might take a little bit of time. Wait until it is completely downloaded. Once your BlueStack is downloaded, open it up and this is how it looks like. And on here, on the search tab, type Play Store and enter. And as you can see, that likewise on our Android or our smartphones, Play Store has appeared on our display. And now from here, you can go to your search tab and type any application name and search for it. And you can see here this install button and you can install the application from here. So this was it for today guys. If you guys liked the video and find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.